In harsh and unpredictable environments, connectivity isn't optional, it's mission critical. When operations depend on real-time data, communication, and control, failure is simply not an option. That's why LANshack offers pre-terminated tactical fiber assemblies, built for extreme conditions, fast deployment, and absolute reliability. Each assembly arrives fully terminated and factory tested, reducing installation time while ensuring consistent, high-performance connectivity in the field. Easy to deploy, and just as easy to retrieve once the mission or event is complete. Designed for military, oil and gas, broadcast, and industrial applications, these assemblies are engineered to withstand shock, dirt, moisture, and extreme handling. This is ultra-durable infrastructure built to perform in environments that push equipment to its limits. Choose OpticalCON for a rugged locking connector trusted in broadcast and tactical deployments. Or select HMA expanded beam solutions, ideal for environments where dust and contamination are unavoidable. For maximum environmental protection, FiberFox expanded beam connectors offer an IP68 rated solution, engineered to resist water ingress and operate reliably in the harshest outdoor conditions. LANshack assemblies support multiple breakout and transition options with a wide range of couplers to adapt to different system requirements. Breakouts can be mounted into a chassis or breakout box, allowing seamless transition to standard LC connectors. Standard broadcast and field tactical cables provide flexibility and durability for fast-moving operations. For the most demanding environments, MIL-TAC cables feature double jacket construction, engineered to survive heavy vehicle traffic and extreme abuse. From temporary tactical deployments to permanent harsh environment infrastructure, LANshack pre-terminated fiber assemblies are built to perform when failure is not an option. See how our pre-terminated fiber optic assemblies simplify your installation. Visit LANshack.com.